This week's grammar lesson is about double negatives. In general, you do not use double negatives, which is two negative words in the same clause. You would only use one negative to express that negative idea. So, for example, it is incorrect to say they didn't mail no packages today. Instead, you would say they didn't mail any packages today. It's incorrect to say we haven't made no phone calls. So instead you would say we haven't made any phone calls, or you would say we have made no phone calls. Additionally, he never joins no clubs is incorrect. He never joins any clubs, or he joins no clubs. You get the gist. So you just basically can't have more than one negative in a sentence. So what does that look like for your quiz? This week, you are doing a little writing. So what you're going to do is, I should go back to your introduction. So what you will do is, if it is correct, you're going to write the word correct in the blank. If it is not correct, you're going to write it correctly in the blank. So if we look at this first sentence, I don't remember nobody like that is not correct. So we would change that to I don't remember anybody like that. Now notice grammar and punctuation, or capitalization and punctuation and grammar count. So you got to make sure you capitalize your first letter, and you make sure you have the correct end punctuation and correct spelling, etc. And then you move to the next one, and so on and so forth. Hope that helps. Good luck for the week.